Still guessing which leads are hot and which campaigns actually work? Build a no-code sales and marketing app that's going to give you clarity and results. So follow me to my desktop right now. Building a sales and marketing portal is easier than you think. All you need is to describe what you need for your portal, and the Knack AI will take care of the rest. Or you can use a template to get a nice looking portal where your clients, leads, team members can log into the dashboard and analyze the data. Now let's go ahead and build one right now by adding a prompt. And in this case, I have my prompt ready. I'm going to send it off. And in a couple minutes, I should have my portal ready to go to customize it to my own needs. So let's wait. Here we go. My portal is now ready and I'm ready to start using it right away. So let me go ahead and show you the live application. Remember, this is a sales and marketing management application. So I have a dashboard. I can view my leads, my campaigns, my sales reps, interactions, and these are things that I asked in the AI to be implemented. Now, not to worry, if you forgot to mention something in the AI prompt, you can still do it here on the chat with AI. So I can just describe what I need. If I need a brand new table, a new section, a new page, a new user role, just go ahead and describe it here in the chat and it'll take care of it for you. So let's give it a quick test. Here we go. So I just sent this off and I want to get the suggestion from Knack AI to let me know what table is missing from what I described in the beginning to make my portal even more powerful. In this case, it's analyzing what I currently have in my portal and what it suggests for me to add. So for example, top recommendations. So companies and organizations, deals and opportunities. In this case, I'm going to ask it to create the deals table. So I'm going to ask it to do it. So here we go. I've asked it to create a deals table. So it's now creating a plan to create this. And it's asking me if the fields that it's going to create are the right ones that I need. I can go ahead and fine tune this to tell, hey, you know what? I think something is missing and go ahead and add it. In this case, I'm just going to say confirm and do it. Here we go. The new table has now been created successfully. So I now have a deals table. I didn't have to create this manually. I used AI, but not to worry. I can also do this manually if needed. Okay. So here we go. Let's go into our tables. And you can see here, we have the leads, campaigns, interactions, and the deals tables that was just created right now. Now, I didn't ask AI to create demo records, but I can ask it to do it. So in this case, I can add a brand new record here manually. And if I forgot and I remember later on that I need a new field, I can go into the field section. I can go ahead and add a field, name my field, and select the data type of that specific field. You have all these available options to start using here for the fields. Now on the right, we have our connections to make connections where this is going to be tied to. This table is connected to the connected leads, assigned sales rep, and the related campaigns. I can add a brand new connection by clicking here. I also have the option to use validation rules, conditional rules, and tasks all straight from here. That is for the tables. Now for the user roles, they are right here. Again, super easy to use. I can create a user role manually or via AI. Now in this case, I have administrators and sales rep. If I need to add a new sales rep, just go ahead and click on add user and add the user right here really easily. If I need to create a new user role, I can do it via AI or by clicking on a new role and creating it. Again, I can create the fields required for the specific user role that I've just created, or if I need to add a new field to a user role that's already been created. And on the right, we have our connections for the specific user role. For example, this sales rep is connected to the leads and to the deals sections. And again, I have my validation rules, conditional rules, and tasks for the user roles. Then I have my pages for my portal. I can customize every single aspect of my page by selecting the element. If I want to remove it, if I want to customize it. So if I want to change the title, description, general settings, the data that's displayed, the actions, the styling, etc., all from here. If I need to add a new section, just go ahead and do so and add a new element really easily right here. So you can customize your pages really quickly and easily with the pages section. Now, if you need to create a brand new page, you can do it via AI or by clicking on adding a new page and designating where you want this page to be in the leads, the campaigns, or a different section. Then we have our theme settings. So in theme settings, you can customize the look and style of your portal right here, like the global style, the layout, and the brand assets to customize logos, colors, etc., all from here. Then you have your flows where you can automate certain processes here on Knack. I would recommend that you get started with templates so you understand how it works, and then you can start from scratch in case you need something that's not available in the templates. And last but not least, I recommend that you take some time and jump into settings and set up everything accordingly to your own needs. And that's how easy it's going to build your sales and marketing management portal here on Knack with a no-code solution, just by describing what you're going to need, and the portal is going to be created for you. And that's a wrap for the sales and marketing application.